Hello, my name is David Melding and I'm one of the Conservative Assembly members for South Wales Central. Now South Wales Central covers Cardiff, the Vale of Glamorgan and Rhondda Cynon Taf. I perform two functions in the National Assembly. The most important is to serve you and represent your interests. And this means that I've got to work hard to improve public services and deal with any problems you may have in the services you are receiving. But I'm also the Deputy Presiding Officer, and in that role I help the Presiding Officer chair the Assembly's proceedings. If you have a problem with one of the services that you receive and you think I can help, you can write to me, send me an email or telephone. We are here to serve you and help with your problems. In the next 5 years, I hope the National Assembly will improve the public services that you receive. And I also hope that the National Assembly will be more accessible to you so that you can come here and talk about your concerns and tell us what you think is important and what we should be doing to make Wales a better place in which to live.
Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd I gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, I ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac I ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru I gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac I ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch I cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter.